বাড়ি গিয়ে তাহলে টিভি দেখি করে দিয়ে
A big round of applause. আরো জোরে হাততালি। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান। অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই আপনাকে। We would now like to invite you to kindly take a virtual tour of the Kolkata Development Center.
Historic moment. Can we have a huge round of applause?
Thank you very much for giving us your valuable time.
আচ্ছা পেছনের লাইটটা এটা একটু অফ করে দাও কারণ এটা হেভি লাইট আছে সেজন্য ক্যামেরাম্যানদের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে Honorable Mr. Joyce Shangarajan, Shangarajka, Mr. Mishra, Mr. Ghosh, other members of the Infosys team, respected guests, delegates, friends, and my IT officials and other well-wishers. I have with me Mr. Amit Mitra. Actual, he is our main finance advisor, Chief. Chandriya Bhattacharya, our finance minister. Sujit Bose, our fire brigade minister. Babul Supriya is IT minister. Rajiv Kumar, one side is IS, one side is IPS. Both the side is taking care. Dibedi, he was a chief secretary, now he is taking care for HITCO, he is a vice chairman of HITCO. Alapun Bandyopadhyay also was the chief secretary and now he is taking care for NKDA and my advisory, CMO advisor also. Sanjay Bansal, our DM, Shumit also. And there are so many friends, I can see my industrial friends are also sitting there in Infosys. But for us, everybody, and for the IT industry, and IT icons all over the world. You started your journey, just now I came to know from Mr. Joy's speech, 1981. And now you are working about 56 countries. And now finally you agreed to start IP Infosys Development Center in Calcutta. I have with me Mr. Shaukat Mullah also. I have a request. Please see that we should help, we should cooperate them in all ways, at all levels. And I will request, this is the area adjacent of Kolkata Police and South and West Bengal, so Bidhannagar Commissioner. happy Christmas to all of you. Bengal is a land of each and everybody. You can say Gandhiji to Rabindranath Tagore to Nazrul to Netaji, what not. It is for all. It's a cosmopolitan. And it's a beautiful city, and this is Rajarhat New Town area. And you have seen so many universities are there. We gave land to St. Xavier's University. They have set up their university here. Then Kolkata University, then Presidency University, then other university also. And there are so many private university also. And this area is must come here. And today I must, with my humble regards, I can tell you fulfilled our dream. So thank you so much. Thanks again on behalf of all of us. Among the world also, they are working everywhere in the world. And this year also you'll be happy to know that more than 45,000 engineers, they entered in this area, and maximum will be the computer engineer also out of that. So they will be helpful for the future also. You have a huge pool, and we have the human talent pool. Now, these have made Bengal the most favored IT destination in India. We have set up Bengal Silicon Valley, just a replica of when I was a railway minister twice in India. At that time I started broadband policy. Abhidya knows better than me because he was my advisor also that time in railway. So broadband policies, data center policy, guideline for artificial intelligence and machine learning bear testaments to that. Even you'll be happy to know that Global Foundries, the world's third largest chip maker, has proposed to establish a semiconductor facility in Calcutta. This will also initiate a new era in Bengal IT and their allied sector also. The gateway of Northeastern region, gateway of so many Southeast Asian countries, even Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, even Bangkok, it is also 3 hours from here, Singapore also, Myanmar also, very nearest. So it is a gateway. That's why our connectivity and power is very. Earlier there was a word that every time out of 24 hours, 23 hours we suffered load shedding. But now there is no power crisis. It will help all of you. And also the second world largest coal mines, they are also doing. You know, the startup also coming, capacity, we have the advantage of capacity, accountability, and the largest economy in the eastern region. And our GDP is expected to reach this year 19 lakh crore. Industry and services contribute a massive 81% out of that. So I congratulate all my officials on a new glory, and it will attract the other companies to see for Kolkata and to invest the more and more money for their development and for their industry. Our government will provide all sort of help. Whatever you want, we have the economic crisis because we are paying our legacy debt. Instead of that, our economy is safe and sound. We started FRBM system only when we came in power. May I invite all of you and your team, global team also, and other also, whoever is in the country. 5th and 6th February, every year we used to organize the Bengal Global Business Summit. There are more than 44-45 countries used to attend that business summit and enjoy the Bengal Business Summit, and you will see it is just like a industry heaven MSME sector, because we are number one in the MSME sector also. Cosmopolitan area, so everybody is staying there. তাহলে শোকত আমি করি অল্প অল্প করে, আমার প্রায় শেষ হয়ে এসেছে। আমি আপনাদের সকলকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই, অনেক অভিনন্দন জানাই, অনেক শুভকামনা জানাই for this new year gift to us. Let this newborn baby must create the opportunity for my young generation or talented people and people of this beautiful art. With this word, thank you so much. Thanks again to all the delegates, participants, my young generation, friends, press, media and all, which will be remembered forever. Thank you so much. Thanks again.
Thank you everyone.
Good evening, Infosys Kolkata. This is a homecoming for me, a deeply emotional and exciting moment of pride for me personally and for all of us gathered here today. And we owe this to many of our colleagues and several other individuals outside of Infosys who have made this day possible. We are privileged to express our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, for gracing this joyous occasion. Madam, your vision to create a thriving technology and IT community and a clean, green and smart city has paved way for several corporates to invest in Newtown, Kolkata, West Bengal. এই সুন্দর পরিকাঠামোর জন্য আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ জানাই। We also want to thank Dr. Amit Mitra, the ministers, Sri Babul Supriyo, Sri Shujit Bose, and Srimati Chandrima Bhattacharya, and other government dignitaries for being with us in the event. A big thanks to our Infosys leadership who are present here today and have been instrumental in their support towards this achievement.
This milestone marks another step in Infosys' commitment to growth in Eastern India. NKDA and other local authorities, thank you for your continuous support throughout the entire duration of the project while building this wonderful campus. Thank you, Niladri, Sudhir, Guru, Cornel, and the entire infra facilities and security team. You have given us a campus which is in line with our global standards, with a state-of-the-art, classic yet modern, future-ready workspace. I thank all the guests, leaders from IT companies, industry bodies, and academia for participating in this joyous occasion today. Finally, thanks to my fellow Kolkata InfoShores. It's your professional skills and your passion for technology and culture alike that makes this campus buzz with energy and knowledge every single day. Thank you so much, everyone.